there were reasons to fight, I could understand, but I don't understand this. Even if you win, what have you won? Apollo's still gone. Why can't you change your thinking? Everybody else does.
Because I'm a fighter. That's the way I'm made, Adrian. We can't change what we are.
Now you're gonna have to go through hell. Worse than any nightmare that you ever dreamed. But in the end, I know you'll be the one standing.
You're real hot, Rock.
Now blast this guy's teeth out.
Whatever he hits, he destroys.
You've seen, you know how strong he is. It's suicide.
No pain. No pain.
No pain.
No pain. This simple defeat of this little so-called champion will be a perfect example of how pathetic weak your society has become.